Good morning. Merry Christmas.
What is that?
Merry Christmas. Santa's been here. Santa came last night.
You want to go see what Santa left you under the tree? You're cute.
It's the camera. Do you want to go see your presents? Yeah, that's too bright, isn't it? Come on, let's go see.
You're welcome, honey. Let's go see what Santa left you. Do you want to walk? Here. Come on. I'll hold your hand.
Come on.
Let's go see what you got. Presents! For Tara! I love presents. Go see what you got.
Yeah.
That's Sarah's baby from Santa.
Let's play, Mommy.
What?
I can do a somersault. I like when you rock me, Mommy. I'm gonna hop like a bunny.
What you got?
Cookies.
Yeah.
See, Santa ate some of your cookies.
Santa ate the cookies.
And drank all the milk.
Sometimes I like to go upside down.
Okay. Okay, look, you want to open some of your presents?
I like to fly in the
Okay.
sky.
Come on. Here, sit down, baby. You see all the Santa left you? Here, open one.
Slide it over there.
You're back here.
So,
Hi, Bill. My dad.
what is it? Open it.
You're opening it? What is that? What's that? It's Martha. These are from Toy Story. Look, it's a color on it. Yeah? And look, open this one now.
Open it.
You can open it. Hold on, let me put your hair back so you can see.
Anything else?
What's that?
What is it?
Look. Let me show you. Look, you can color on it.
Okay. Okay.
That's so great. And then look, when you're done, press this button up, and it's all clean again. Great. You want to open more? Yes? Okay. Let's open this
I need that.
one. Okay, well, look, we're going to put it right here. And open this present now.
I need this.
You don't want to open the rest of your presents? You want to give her a break?
What you got?
Where's it? Where's it? Where's it? Let's play, Mommy. Girl. What's that?
Well, here, let's open more presents. Here, open